Bootstrap is one of the best CSS frameworks in the front-end development world, if not the best. In this video, we will learn how to use Bootstrap CSS in offline mode. Stay tuned. The simplest way you can import Bootstrap into your project is by CDN, short for Content Delivery Network. All you need to do is to just copy this link on the Bootstrap website and paste it in your project like I have done here. Now I can start applying Bootstrap styling on my website. This is a simple website I have created just for this video. It contains no useful information, so please don't try to understand it. As you can see, I have applied CSS grid box here. This is one row and I have divided it into two columns, one for the image and one for this paragraph. This is also another row with three columns, and I did all this with Bootstrap. Take a look at my Explorer section. You can see I don't have any CSS files in my folder. That means all the styling is being applied by Bootstrap. And as you can see, I also have the heading centered. Another thing I love about Bootstrap is that it is highly responsive. It will adjust to fit any screen size. If I reduce my window here, you can see how the elements also adjust themselves. So this is how my page will look on mobile. Before I start showing you how you can use Bootstrap in offline mode, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to not miss any new video uploads. The first thing I will do is to remove the CDN link. As you can see, all my styling has disappeared, leaving me with just the content, which is the HTML. Now let's head over to Bootstrap website and download some files. At the top left corner, click Docs. I've already talked about using the CDN method. With the offline method, we need to download the compiled CSS bundle from the Bootstrap website. I will click Download, and that should download the files. Download is done, and the file is in a zip format. That means it needs to be extracted. I will extract it into the folder that contains my project. I just need to drag it from my zip folder and then drop it in my project folder. Let's go back to VS Code, and now I'll open my Explorer section. This is the Bootstrap folder, so I'll click to open and then click CSS. And as you can see, the Explorer section now contains a whole different bunch of CSS files. You might be asking yourself, are we going to link all these CSS files in our HTML document? Well, no, we just need one file out of all these. And before I show you that CSS file, please make sure to subscribe and like the video to support the channel. The only file we need out of all these is bootstrap.main.css. That is the only file we need, so I will link it in my HTML file right here. I'll type link and then press the tab button. The Bootstrap folder, CSS, and then I'll search for bootstrap.main.css. Here it is. You will realize that all my styling has been restored the moment I linked the Bootstrap CSS file. Now at this point, I can go ahead and apply more Bootstrap styling to my web page. So we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for staying with me until the end, and I'll see you in another video.